If CapCut animations are not showing, don't worry. This is usually a simple interface, connection, or cache issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials because I post practical fixes just like this all the time. First, let's handle the most common issue, which is a hidden or missing animation tab. In CapCut, the animation options will often only appear when a clip, text layer, or element is actively selected in your timeline. So if you don't see the animation tab, click on the clip you want to edit and check the top right panel again. Sometimes it's not broken at all. It just hasn't been triggered because nothing is selected. If the animation tab still does not appear, the next step is to reset your layout. Go to the top menu bar, click Layout, and then choose Reset Layout. This forces CapCut to restore the default interface, which can bring back panels that have disappeared, shifted, or become hidden after a glitch or accidental workspace change. Once the layout resets, go back to your clip and check the animation tab again. Now, if the animation tab is visible but the animations are stuck loading forever, showing an endless spinning wheel, then the problem is often related to cache or a temporary app issue. Before clearing cache, it's a good idea to restart both CapCut and your network connection. Close CapCut completely, disconnect and reconnect your internet if needed, and then relaunch the app. This can help CapCut reload its resources correctly and fix loading problems tied to a bad session or weak connection. If that still doesn't solve it, the next fix is to clear the corrupted cache. To do that, go back to the CapCut homepage and close your current project first. Then click the settings icon in the top right corner, which looks like a hexagon. Inside settings, open the draft tab and look for clear cache. Click the trash bin icon to remove the cached files. This can fix stuck loading issues, missing effects, and animation tabs that refuse to respond properly. After clearing the cache, relaunch CapCut and reopen your project. Give the app a moment to reload everything, then select your clip again and test the animation tab one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem immediately. Either the tab was hidden, the layout needed resetting, the network needed a refresh, or the cache needed to be cleared. If CapCut animations are still not showing after trying these steps, you may also want to check whether your app is updated to the latest version because older versions can have UI bugs and loading problems. But for most users, the combination of selecting the clip, resetting the layout, restarting CapCut and your network, and clearing the draft cache is enough to fix the issue. I hope this helped you fix CapCut animation not showing. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips, fixes, and CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.